Okay, gang, real quick, I got 4 or 5 different samples here that I'm going to try to send your way this week. These are tin whiskers and zinc whisker samples. First one comes out of the space shuttle from roughly the year 2006. Tin-plated beryllium copper card guide. I've sent you some references, videos, and the like on this. The inside of the box used to be a tacky, sticky, double-sided adhesive tape. It's long ago lost its tackiness, but you can see that a bunch of dust is collected in there. This sample's been handled by hundreds of people, traveled in my suitcase all over the world. So there's going to be some detached whiskers laying down on the tacky surface, but you'll get to appreciate the tin whiskers growing on the card guide. Next up, some tin-plated steel connector shells, D-sub miniature connectors. These are nowhere near as lush, but when you get the lighting right, get it under some magnification, that dusty, gritty appearance there is actually tin whiskers. Inside the shell, you'll probably find some elongated whiskers, filament types, because that shell area is protected from fingers and being rubbed from other objects nearby. These connectors were actually in a bag jumbled together, so they were bouncing around. So external whiskers are likely to have been abraded off, at least many of them. Next up, zinc-plated steel. Notice that it's not easy to see any whiskers if I'm coming at the surface normally with the light, but if I drop the angle down, low angle, wow, you can see the sample on the right is really whiskery. And the one on the left is too, but nowhere near as bad. These came out of 2 different computer data centers. These are from the raised floor tiles, the bottom surface, not the surface you walk on, but the surface that's underfoot. And I've sent you references about how these have been detached by the billions in many computer centers around the world, leading to massive failures due to electrical shorting from detached conductive debris. And the last one, I don't have a way to box it up yet. It may stay here unless I can figure out a convenient way to ship it to you. It's a run-of-the-mill binder clip. This one has zinc-plated, iron-based alloy handles to it, and the whiskers growing on it are quite lush and obvious.